The strudel comes back from my family. We're German, so strudel is typically a German dish that is often served in most restaurants, and it's made with fresh apples, walnuts, cake. I basically bake a pound cake and mix it in with butter and sugar and cinnamon and raisins. It's a nice, light, fluffy puff pastry dough. It's served with a traditional vanilla rum sauce and ice cream. So you get this little hot and cold or fire and ice type feeling. It's kind of great. You eat this hot, warm, cinnamony cake, and you finish it with a nice scoop of ice cream. So it really goes well together.